Let's go over another earning play because the last video from a few days ago, they were all winner. Caterpillar, Eli and Lilly, and I think I mentioned one or two more. I want to show you something that caught my eye that I might do today. After I post the video, I will probably take this trade for my own account. But first, in order to even go here, we need to read a quick disclaimer. So feel free to read this and know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Also, my name is Ziv, known as Finance After 40. Let's go over some earning trade using Market Chameleon. If you're not a member just yet, 7 days, link in the description. So once you sign up, you see all the alerts. Remember Eli and Lilly from the last video. Eli and Lilly's share are up 10.3% after earning. And remember the trade that Market Chameleon gave us was like negative 5%. Like we had like a put spread with like 5% to the downside. They went up extra 10%, so this was a clear winner. Caterpillar was one that was around 330 to sell the spread 315, something 310, 315, 310, something like that. Close the next day, it's around 330 now, so that's another winner. So I'm starting to pay attention to the earning tab and the earning opportunities. I haven't done it before because Market Chameleon again has so much stuff to offer. If you just go on the home page with the trade ideas, this is where I spend most of my times in active options, seasonality, and just saw what I saw. Let's see, there's no interesting, very interesting. That probably will refresh. There we go. After the market will open, but active options. But what was my bread and butter. Now on earnings seasons, if you click here, okay, and you're gonna go here today's opportunities. I'm gonna give you a couple of options and I'm taking this trade, but again, it can go either way and you can lose all your money. And read about today's trading opportunities. Screen to identify which option strategy has the highest win rate historically based on history, most profitable opportunities. Okay, so you can read all about that. So in here, I started to do this. I'm gonna change the win rate. Okay, let's make sure that you can see. Change the win rate. Okay, I'm gonna click this twice, and I'm gonna go by from high to low. So all those are 100%. And if it's true, those are 92%. And I'm not just gonna look at random stocks. I'm gonna look at stuff that I know. And the one that caught my eye is Beyond Meat. Remember this one that was like $150 in 2021. Now it's $5. That is absolutely crazy. Now, the point of this trade, I don't like to do trades that are like after earnings and all that, like or before. I mean, I don't like to do before earnings. I like to do like I know what happens. Even though the trades from yesterday, from 2 days ago, were absolutely like great. The Eli and Lilly and Caterpillar, and I think there was another one. I forgot. I need to watch my own video again. But basically, those trades were based on earnings. Even though Eli and Lilly was before earnings, Caterpillar was after earning, but the market was crazy, so I didn't do any trade. But this one caught my eye. Let me show you. And then I'll show you something else. But Beyond Meat market cap, yes, it's small, it's super risky. Earning date was yesterday, August 7. The trade is Iron Condor credit, but look at this. Open trade, day of earning, which was basically, it says today, because the trade was, I think they posted after hours yesterday, I'm not sure. But closed the trade 1 week after. And it tells you, open the trade on August 8, which is today, and close the trade August 15 for the expiration August 16. So next Friday it expires. It says don't hold till expiration, close 1 day before. Now there's not a lot of income here, only $21, but you know it is what it is. And if you click here, if you click on the date itself, it's gonna tell you, and I'm gonna try to take this trade on Tasty Trade. I don't know if Robinhood will take the Condor. It's gonna say low fill and all that stuff, but you know it is Robinhood. Tasty works is much better in the big spreads and Condors and all that. So you got yourself the price 524, and if you can click here, you see tons of strategies for option just for Beyond Meat, and you can do that for any stock that are posting earnings soon or posted. And you see here, this is the Condor. So we are now at 525, and the trade itself is the on the put side, sell the 4.5 and buy the 3.5, and on the call side, sell the 7 and buy the 8. Okay, so you're not risking a lot. It's not like a $2,000 collateral. It's like $80 collateral for one trade. And if you click run analysis, again, I haven't taken the trade. I just want to show you. I might take it. Hopefully it will catch a bid. But you see, you collect $21 compared to nothing. Compared to $4 is what you should have collected based on history. And this is your edge. This is why I use Market Chameleon every day to find the edge, not to know. I don't know if Beyond Meat will go up or down. I just don't know that this trade gives me, what is this, like 5 times more than what I should have collected. Yeah, that's crazy. 87% win rate. And the current market, there is a market for that, so that's good. 21.40. You might get the bid at 32. I wish. That's even better. That's much better. But still, based on history, you should have just collected $4, which is nothing. It's not worth the risk. But if you see here, this is the trade. Your max profit is what you get credit right now, $21. Max loss is $80, 79. Okay. But look at the numbers here. That's what caught my eye. This is not the usual Condor with like, I don't know, 2-3% on each side. Maximum loss distance, they need to go below 33% or above 53%. Now keep in mind, they already posted earnings, so if they just open the day with not a big movement, that means, and you only got a week until the expiration and you close it, I mean, the chances are in our favor, as they say. Distance to break even, so you need Beyond Meat to go down almost 18% to still break even, and above they need to go up 38% to break even. So break even is 430 or 7 on one side and 721 on the other side. Current price 522, which of course it could happen, but the odds are in your favor, especially that you're collecting 5 or 6 times more than what you should have based on history. Max gain is between 4.5 and 7. We are now at 520, so we are exactly that. If the stock stays the same, this is your yield, 26% return on your money. Amount at risk, again, you're not risking a lot. This is like Iron Condor trading for beginners. If you've never done an Iron Condor, this could be something to dip your toe. That your max loss is like $80, your max gain $20, and see how option Iron Condor works using Market Chameleon. So that's just one trade. That's just one trade that I'm looking at the earnings, and you can do all of those if you know other stuff. There's Eli and Lilly here. You see here, remember that trade. Let's see what they gave us now. And you can see I'm looking for something that like I know, something that I know, and this is MPW. This is like a riot. Okay, they're like $4 or something. Looking for something interesting. Trading desk. What is this? 92% win rate. Let's see what we got. So this one is 55 compared to 35. I don't want to do that's not a lot. I'm looking for something big. That's what I'm looking for. Something kind of big. Okay. Theoretical value, theoretical edge. Okay, let's see here. And if you read the numbers again, you see average return on the Beyond Meat is the highest, 39%, at least highest in the first page. If you click on average return, let's change it by highest average return. This is something interesting. So okay, so let's check Airbnb. I'm doing this live. Airbnb, let's do the 82.73. Interesting. Okay, so yesterday they went down like I think 20 points or something. I don't know who uses Airbnb now with all the fees and stuff. Yeah, and all the cameras and everything that's going on. It was pretty expected that they will drop. But the trade itself, they already posted earnings, so this is interesting. So the trade itself, let's go by the first one. Open 1 day after and close 2 days after. So it tells you to open the trade today, August 8th, close the trade tomorrow. Now I haven't looked at that, but just for the expiration of August 9. Interesting. So you open today, you close Friday. Interesting. This is very interesting. So this is for the weekly. I'm just gonna click and see what we got. I'm not saying to do it, but just see what we got. And you see 113 bucks after the earnings. And if we go down, it's just a put. Okay, put 110. I'm not doing the put. Debit put spread. Let's do this one. And then long ATM. Yeah, let's do this one. This trade also 270% average return. Open today, close tomorrow. So let's see what we got. And I'm just, I don't know, checking options here. But my trade for the day is the Beyond Meat. So let's see what this one has in store for us. You sell the 110, you buy the 109. Okay, another put credit spread for beginners that you're not risking more than like $100 minus your credit. Okay, interesting. So yeah. So this is the other way. It's the other way. I didn't understand why it's a debit. So okay. So you're paying $30. Interesting. So you buy the 110 and you sell the 109. Okay, so let's click run analysis. So it's the other ones, the call debit spread. Interesting. So we are now at 114 and you're hoping for the price to keep going a little more down, another 2.5%. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, you lose 100%. Okay. So I don't really like to go by average return. As I said, I like to go by average win rate. The higher, the better. But on stocks that I know, Unity in here, credit put spread. We got ourselves this one. You open the trade. Let's see what this one says. You open the trade on the 8th, you close the trade on the 13th, 92% win rate. Okay, we're just gonna check this out before we wrap this up. All that stuff, and we got the price of Unity $14. Remember when this was like 160 or something a few years ago? Unbelievable. So what do you do here? You sell the 12, okay, and you buy the 10.5 put credit spread. So your max risk is 150 collateral minus your income. In your income, if you put the limit of 0.3, basically it's $30. So that's not bad compared to $20, 80% win rate. You're already here, you're already in the money, so that's a good thing. Distance to you get 15% cushion. So and this is your break even, and if nothing happens, you collect 23% on your money, which is pretty interesting. And as you can see, the earnings were August 8, which is today after market close. But you assume that they will not go from $14 to I don't know, under 12. And if you just do the math, 14 divided by 12, you get yourself, yeah, as it says, about 16% just to the max profit. I mean, it could happen, but you get 15.9% cushion that it won't. If they stay flat, if they go down up to $12, or if they go up, you won the trade, and that's how you play earnings. But for me, the trade of the day is the Iron Condor of Beyond Meat, which has like, I don't know, 40% or something cushion to both sides. Earning already posted. Hold it for a week. This is what I'm gonna do today once I post this video, probably 30 minutes after. I hope this was valuable. Again, log into Market Chameleon. Other than trade ideas, you got earnings, you got tons of stuff. There was the put option, naked put, but I don't even remember what it was, but it should have expired. Worthless as well. So check my channel and yeah, sign up. 7 days trial. I'll see you next time.